Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bloofy from Inside Out too. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw an angled oval in the center here. And then another one on top on the right. Now inside each of these, let's draw another oval in the center. And then inside, a small circle on the top left. And then an oval shape behind in the center. And then color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down underneath on the left and let's draw a U-shaped curve over and back up. And now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a curve up and over, stopping here. Now on the right side, let's draw the snout. Let's draw a large curve going out and then curve it back in underneath. Now inside for the nose, let's draw a curve up near the top. And then to close off the bottom, let's draw a curve up and two loops in and back around like this. Now underneath the snout here, let's draw a square shape. And then another one next to it for the two front teeth. Now let's move back over on the bottom left and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve out, around, and back in. And then another curve underneath this one. Now inside the mouth, let's draw the teeth. Let's start with a curve down on an angle. And then three curves going across. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move to the left side and let's draw a curve up, stopping here for the back of the head. Now inside the gap on the right here, let's draw the first eyebrow. Let's draw a wavy curve up and then bring it back down, forming a teardrop shape. And now let's do the same thing on the right, like this. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's draw the hat. From the left side of the head, let's draw a curve up, and then continue it on top of the eyebrow and bring it back down, bringing it behind the other one as well. Now let's draw the same curve next to it. Now let's hop back down and let's draw another curve on the left here. Now from the left side of the head, let's draw a small curve up, and then a larger one up and over to the brim. And then add a curve inside. Lastly, for the hat, let's draw a small bump on the top. Next, from the top of the hat, let's add the ears. Let's draw a curve up, around, and back in on top. And then another one going down on the left. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with two curves down underneath the head. and then a curve down and in on the left side. Now top back up to the right and let's draw a small curve down, stopping here. Now to close off this gap, let's draw the pouch on the belly. Let's start with a curve across, bringing it out on the right side. And then a large curve underneath. Next, inside, let's add the zipper. Let's start with 2 angled lines, and then close it off at the top and the bottom. And then draw a small square inside like this. Now on the top right corner, let's draw a square shape behind, and then 2 curves over to the right. And add some stripes inside. Lastly, let's add the belt strap by drawing 2 curves on the left side in the body here. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move back up and draw the arms. From the top of the torso, let's draw 2 angled lines down on the left and the same on the right. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. From the top line, let's draw a wavy line up and curve it back around for the thumb. And the same for the right side. Now underneath, let's draw a small curve down. Then leave a gap and let's draw a curve in the center here. Now top over to the right and let's draw a curve down. And then a curve underneath and back up for the finger. Now to close off the hand, let's draw 2 curves down and in like this for the rest of the fingers. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and let's draw the legs. Underneath the body, let's draw a line down. And then next to it, let's draw a line down and then curve it out. And the same on the right side. Now from the ends, let's curve it up and back down. Now top back to the center line and let's continue it down. And then a curve across the bottom of each foot. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the details of the shoes. At the ankles, let's draw 2 curves. Then on top of the feet, let's draw a curve down and back up. Now top to the toes and let's draw a curve across. Then curve it down and out. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the left side of the body here, let's draw a curve up, around, and back in. And that's it for Bloofy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!